If you are the proud owner of a Volkswagen and have leatherette seats like I do, there's a good chance that your seat looks like a dog's breakfast, all cracked like this. Now, I know I'm not alone on this because I too have the internet and I have seen all kinds of forums and people talking about how these seats are cracked. So a couple disclaimers first. A lot of people in the forums are saying, oh, it's sun damage, you should tint your windows. Well, guess what? My windows are tinted and they have been tinted since day one, and they're pretty dark and it's definitely not sun damage. Another thing worth mentioning is this car has 60,000 miles on it, so it's not miled out by any means. It's a 2017, might be a 2018, I'm not exactly sure. And the final disclaimer is that this car has always been stored inside in a garage since it was new. Now, I don't know what it is about my personality, but there's something wrong with me because I like to try things that I think are probably not going to work. So as I'm mindlessly scrolling on the internet, I keep getting fed all these ads on Instagram and Twitter where they have this piece of leather and they just kind of wrap it over a chair or whatever. It looks so easy. But something tells me that it's not as easy as the ads look. I'm probably going to put a seat cover on my car, so I thought, why not? I don't know, these were a few bucks. I ordered them on Amazon. So I'm going to cut one of these up, I'm going to try and put it over my seat, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I think it's going to look like crap, but let's go for it. So my first instinct is to try and cut a piece that goes right in between these threads, or the seams, sorry. But I have like zero confidence in that, so I'm actually going to wrap this right around and tuck it in between the plastic and the side of the seat. Okay guys, after spending a solid 20 seconds on cutting this to shape, kinda, I'm just going to go for it. I feel like I should heat this leatherette up a little bit and maybe heat this piece of leather, but I'm just not going to because I don't feel like it. So here we go. It's got a sticky back on it, which is always fun. I'm going to maybe peel back like a couple inches. It does seem very sticky. So I'm just going to go for it without putting too much thought into it. Kind of wedging it down. It's definitely friggin' sticky, I can tell you that. I didn't get it down in there as good as I would have liked to. Now I'm going to peel the back off a little bit more. It's definitely sticking. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but you can kind of see you can even see the rips on the bottom of it. Okay, now I'm going to bring it around the top. And we're just going to go for it. I hope I don't get a bubble on the top here. So far, so good. And now I'm going to try and just... Yeah, it's getting crinkled up over here. Okay, I'm going to switch the camera around real quick so you can see what I'm doing on this side. Okay, hopefully my hands don't get too much in the way here. But what I'm trying... Oh my gosh. It is quite sticky. So I'm just going to try and wedge this in between the plastic. I'm sure I just blocked the camera so you couldn't see that. And I got some creases in there. Just have a Sharpie here. I'm trying to just smooth it out. It isn't pretty. I can tell you that. If I would have spent a little more time maybe fitting it in there, it might look a little bit better. I kind of did a terrible job of doing it. But like I said at the beginning of this video, is I'm going to put a seat cover on here anyway. I just kind of wanted to see if this works. It's maybe a step above duct tape, I guess you could say that. I'll show you a couple shots here of what it looked like before. You can see those terrible cracking. I think it's a Volkswagen problem personally. And now you can see with this patch job on top, It did come in a 2-pack. These are like 8.5 by 11. The product itself is actually not bad. You know what? I'll put a link in the description anyway. It's like way stickier on the back than I thought, and the leather seems really good. It could work for, you know, some application. For this, it looks like a jerry job, but it's not a bad product. The Volkswagen seat is a bad product, that's for sure. So anyway, it looks like things aren't always as they seem on the internet, and for some reason I'll continue to do things that I know aren't gonna work. Peace.